do the protein oats. I do 5 of these for the week. I do 1 cup a day, so I need 5 cups. Just use the old Quaker. Like I said before, I just do the, I taired this to the mixing bowl, so I'll just get a total weight. That's 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I lost count last time. I had to start over. So I'm gonna do the weight. So you just weigh everything, divide by 5, and then you know what goes in your little containers. All right, 1 second. So you got 5 cups of oats. Need 5 scoops of protein. 1, 3, 4. Come on. Gonna get a new flavor. That's 5. There, just a little extra. Alright. So typically when I mix these up, I don't like it real runny, so I do a little less water per cup of oats. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of water per 1 cup of oats. So I need 2.5 cups of water. That's close enough. Alright, we're going to recruit this little baby teal mixture here. Help us out. There it is. Alright. Yeah, you can do this in a container with just a fork. You can do each one. I did this last week. I was pretty happy with the turnout. So just a little oats, protein oat mixture. We got a good consistency here. It's gonna be nice. That in a minute. So yeah, that's what we got on the scale. We got 2 pounds, 7 ounces. So that's 40, call it 40. So you need 40 ounces, 5 is 8, about 8 ounces per container, right? Am I doing that right? So about 8 ounces per container. So we're gonna take this off. So clear that. We're just resetting the scale to these containers, and then I'll spoon out my porridge. Six. Yeah, it's a little much there. So we're looking for 8. 8's that number. There we go. 2. So I mix all this up and then it goes in the fridge. It's I eat this. This is my post-workout meal. I eat this. It's about it's all said and done with what I eat. It's about 100 grams of carbs post-workout. So it's gonna be anyway. I'll show you the rest of it in a minute. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got enough here. Yeah, we're gonna be scraping the bottom. We're gonna scrape the bowl. Good to go. So it's gonna be protein oat mixture right here. There we go. So protein oats. It kind of looks like chocolate oat. We're gonna throw in a half a cup of frozen blueberries. Frozen blueberries, just like that. You just put the lid on that, set it in the fridge. The oats will absorb some of the water, will end up a little bit thicker too, so it's a good consistency. Like I said, you can do a little runnier if you want. I like it thick. I like to eat it, just spoon it. It's pretty good. Nice little treat after the gym. So I'll do the blueberries and stuff. I also throw in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Get those fats in, so it's delicious. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed all this. Putting it together. It's gonna go all on YouTube. Some of the Instagram videos got cut short, but everything will be there in its entirety on the YouTube channel this evening. So good stuff. If you got any questions, comments, if I didn't hit anything, confused, whatever, don't hesitate. Reach out. www.LegionFit.com. Try to get a link on the YouTube channel on the video for you. But yeah, just reach out. It's free sign up. We offer some workout programs and stuff like that, some shirts. It's cool. Just looking to help everybody out, you know. So, see you. Talk to you soon.